Sawadee ka. Welcome to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. My name is Tanya and today we are going to cook Pad Thai. It's common and very popular Thai street food. You find Pad Thai everywhere and it's offered in every Thai restaurant. Anytime when I cook Pad Thai, we end up with eating too much, but from time to time I make it at home because my kids love Pad Thai. Okay, so we need rice noodle. We are going to cook the vegetarian Pad Thai, so we use tofu, tamarind juice, soya sauce instead of fish sauce. We need sugar, we need chili powder, lime, shallot. If you are vegetarian without egg, you can leave egg apart. The cooking oil, garlic, peanut, garlic leaf, also bean sprout. So normally we use the flat rice noodle, but you can also use glass noodle to be lighter. I don't know if you know about tamarind. It's a kind of fruit, very sour. We use for cooking to get this sweet, sour taste. First you soak the noodle into warm water to make it soft, ready to cook. And now I cut the garlic leaf ready to be used. You cut tofu into a stripe. Shallot to be used for Pad Thai sauce and to use in Pad Thai itself. Cut into the small pieces. Peanut, you grind a little bit roughly to garnish Pad Thai at the end. Break them a little bit, not too much. So you still have a crunchy and tasty of peanut. First of all, we need to make the Pad Thai sauce. A little bit of cooking oil. Fry with shallot. With a little bit of garlic. Now you add sugar, because the Pad Thai sauce needs to be sweet, sour. We add soya sauce. With the vegetarian version, so we use soya sauce instead of fish sauce. And then the main thing is the tamarind juice. Mix them together. It's supposed to be sweet and sour. I add a little bit of chili powder to make the sauce spicy. Now the sauce is ready. What we can do next is to blend the sauce to make it nicely smooth. Okay. Okay, that should be it. Nice smooth sauce. There we have our Pad Thai sauce. You can make the Pad Thai sauce and put in a jar, put into the fridge air, keep it for whenever you want to make Pad Thai. And now we are ready to make Pad Thai. I start with a little bit of oil. And now the remaining of shallot, I will fry that. And then I use tofu. Reduce a little bit of heat and then add noodle. I will add a little bit of water to make sure that the noodle is not too sticky. Our lovely Pad Thai sauce. You have to add quite a lot because all the flavor is from here. And then mix them together. Make sure that the noodle is soft enough and get the sauce completely. Add garlic leaf and bean sprout. Mix them roughly. We add egg at the end. I just put the noodle aside, add a little bit of oil on the side there, and then I would add egg. Make sure that the white egg is cooked. And then I put noodle on top of the egg. Our pad thai is finished, so I add a fresh bean sprout, garlic leaf, lime, and then a little bit of peanut. Also, if you like to have it hot, normally they also serve with chili powder. I will put it on the side, normally like that. But my kid would add more chili. Now you have it, pad thai. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and share this video and subscribe to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ